Ako si Six ng 55 Tinta Maginhawa.
Ako si Paolo ng 55 Tinta Makati.
Ang tattoo kasi at ang sabihin natin ng White Castle share the same attribute na being passionate with something, no?
It's really good exposure for us and for the artists ng 55 Tinta. Kasi they have now an opportunity to showcase their skills and artworks.
Ang advantage ng collaboration na to, ilabas mo yung artistic side mo na pwede mong ma-share sa ibang mga tao or basically sa buong community.
A brand as established as White Castle Whiskey is looking towards the tattoo community. I think it really empowers the spirits and the morale of the tattoo artists and the tattoo community as a whole to really just keep on pushing forward, di ba? So this initiative by White Castle is really helpful to the whole tattoo community.